Great design is going to create trust. It's one of the most important investments that you can make as a business owner. Your brand messaging and voice helps your customers understand that you are here for them. Always start off with a mood board when it comes to the visual elements of how you want things to look and feel. Keep your colors consistent to keep emotions in check. Based on your brand's personality, choose colors that are tied to that emotion. Next, type layout. And I'm using this term in particular, specifically for social media and websites. Your type defines your type and communicates your vibe to attract your tribe. Ensure your fonts are consistent across social and web by purchasing font licensing for both your desktop and font. People might not know this, but you actually have to purchase font licensing for your website. Listen, if website is not in the investment right now, I would rather do your brand identity and then you could pop in everything else on the website, because once you have your brand identity, you can plug your colors into your site. You can plug in your custom typography layout in your site. And all of those things are gonna help you stand out against your competitors in your category.